A technique used for hearing loss and other ear conditions in Germany is now available here on the Suncoast. ABC 7's Alex Redmond joins us with how this treatment is helping patients. Alex.
Thanks, Haley. It's called the LUMOMED laser, and it's a painless treatment that regenerates damaged hair cells within the inner ear to help restore hearing loss and symptoms of Ménières disease, even tinnitus and vertigo that may accompany it. Hearing loss has certain signs and symptoms.
Multiple conversations, I couldn't hear them all. If there was background noise.
Bob Kirschner says an exam revealed his hearing loss.
And it was recommended I get hearing aids.
Dr. John Lieurance, a board-eligible chiropractic neurologist, says medications that damage the inner ear and loud noises contribute to hearing loss.
We have people that put earphones in their ears with their iPhones. There's just so much stress to the inner ear.
Hearing aids that amplify sound may make hearing loss worse, says Dr. Lieurance. But now Kirschner is undergoing a laser treatment previously only available in Germany that Dr. Lieurance found through an international patient.
And I was so impressed that I brought this back to Sarasota, and we're doing it on patients, and it's phenomenal.
Dr. Lieurance explains.
The hair cells are responsible for balance, and they're also responsible for hearing.
The LUMOMED laser works on damaged hair cells within the ear to not only help restore hearing, but also helps patients suffering symptoms of unbearable dizziness, irritating noise in the ear, and sharp piercing whistle sounds that may accompany conditions like Ménières disease and tinnitus.
We're actually trying to get laser into this little area deep inside of the bones of the skull, and it's providing energy that these hair cells, these little cells inside of this area, are using for hearing.
Patients like Bob Kirschner wear goggles like these to protect their eyes when they're getting laser treatments with the LUMOMED laser.
You might feel like a little sunlight, but it produces very little heat. So some people don't feel anything at all.
Treatment, says Dr. Lieurance, take half hour per ear, and 10 to 15 treatments are recommended for best results.
I've had 8 or 9 treatments. I'm hearing things much clearer. I can distinguish voice levels. I'm finding that I'm probably not going to need hearing aids.
Just about every patient we've done this treatment on has had a response and improvement with their hearing.
Dr. Lieurance says the LUMOMED laser offers an alternative treatment for hearing loss and other inner ear conditions because it repairs rather than creating further damage.
And Alex, how bad can some of these inner ear conditions get?
Well, I will tell you that my father had Ménières disease, and it actually knocked him flat down on the ground because he got so dizzy. So it can really affect the quality of your life. And now this repairs rather than damages.
Great to hear. All right.